It's a congenital heart disorder. Friedreich's ataxia is the childhood disorder that we work on. And what we have is a mouse model that mimics the heart disease. It's a cardiac-specific knockout of the frataxin protein, which is lost in the children. And so what we have is, in this poster, we're phenotyping the mice, so we're looking at their heart function by several mechanisms. And these mechanisms we actually use in the clinics: echocardiography and cardiac catheterization. So that looks at the heart function of the children's hearts. And so we also look at the biochemical profile of the heart cells. So what we've found is that the acetylation, which is a modification of the proteins in the heart, is abnormal. And that, we think, has something to do with the heart failure that occurs in the hearts over time. So we are hoping that we can modify the acetylation, or the modification of the proteins, to normalize that and thus improve the heart function. So, and this is going to be relevant for clinical application if we can find a therapy that would modify these hearts in the clinical realm. So we're working on an additional mouse model that would overexpress the protein that we think is causing the heart failure in this mouse model. So we're working on that. We're also working on using a medicine to treat this mouse to see if their heart failure improves. And this would be a medicine that may actually be used in the clinical setting with children.